Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start our new lecture of 2.3 Mark Twain margin questions and English workshop. हमें पहले चिट चैट क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट किया हुआ है. So let's get started. Margin questions. First, what was Mark Twain's real name? Answer: Mark Twain's real name was Samuel Langor Clemens. Second, where else are the human values of liberty, equality and fraternity mentioned in the book? Find and copy the page in the beautiful hand. सो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी को मेंशन करना है बुक में और अच्छे हैंड राइटिंग में लिखना है. द आइडियाज ऑफ लिबर्टी एंड इक्वलिटी आर ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्रेस इन द चैप्टर 4.5. Why did Henry Irving ask Mark Twain if he had heard the story before? Answer: Henry Irving asked Mark Twain if he had heard the story before because he wanted to assure that he had not heard the story which he was telling him. Our question number 4 is: can you think of other examples of irregularities in English spelling? Answer: yes, there are various words that have irregular pronunciation such as end, English, weight, height, go to, tall, shall. Fifth, try to write a few sentences according to the improvements suggested for each year. I never drink cool water. I never drink cool water. She baked one cake. She baked. Please take a screenshot. Which episode shows that Mark Twain did not believe in superstitions? Mark Twain did not believe in superstitions. This can be seen in the episode where he is informed by a reader that he found a spider in his paper and wanted to know whether it was bad luck or good luck. Workshop. First, answer the following questions. A. Did Twain tell the barber who he was? No, Twain did not tell the barber who he was. Second, was Twain particular about how he dressed when he was visiting friends? Answer: yes, Twain was particular about his dress because when Mr. Stowe saw him without any collar and tie, she was surprised. Question number 3, was Twain particular about what words he used? Answer: yes, Twain was very much particular about what words he used. D. Do you think Twain approved of spelling reforms? Give reasons for your answer. Twain proposed a different plan for the improvement of English spellings. He wanted to convey that further changes and reformation in English spellings would be harmful for the language, so I think he did not approve spelling of reforms. Question number 2. Read the following and write the two meanings of mind and matter. E. Please take a screenshot of these questions. कुछ लोगों की बुक्स में ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, पर नए जो एडिशन के बुक्स है उसमें ये क्वेश्चन है, तो आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. Question number 2. Read the following and write the two meanings of mind and matter. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't means it doesn't matter. Here mind and matter both are used as a nouns first and then they are used as verbs. पहले noun के use किया फिर verb. Translate any 5 of the quotations you like. A man cannot be comfortable without his own approval. मनुष्य स्वतःच्या स्वीकृतीशिवाय निश्चिंत राहू शकत नाही. A person with a new idea is a crank until the idea suicides. एखादी नवीन कल्पना सुचलेला मनुष्य ती प्रत्यक्षात उत्तरेपर्यंत थांबत नाही. एज इज अन इश्यू ऑफ माइंड ओव्हर मॅटर. इफ यू डोंट माइंड इट डझंट मॅटर. वय हा मुद्दा मनाच्या मानण्यावर अवलंबून आहे. मानाला तर महत्त्वाचा नाही तर गौण आहे. ऑल जनरलायझेशन आर फॉल्स इन्क्लुडिंग दिस वन. सर्वसामान्य विधाने असत्य असतात, हे विधाने देखील. बी केअरलेस इन युअर ड्रेस इफ यू विल बट कीप अ टायडी सोल. एक वेळ राहणी गबाळ असू द्या पण मन मात्र स्वच्छ ठेवा. 5. Form groups of 4 to 6. Discuss whether and how you can improve English spellings. Answer: we can improve English spellings in the following ways. Pick out difficult spellings from the textbook, write them down and recite. Give each other dictations. Write the wrong spellings 5 times. Our question number 6 says, arrange a joke session in the classroom where each student tells a joke. The jokes must be told in English. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And I wanted to say, please write the answer of a 6th question by your own sense of humor.